Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jaylee. Y'all, I'm back. Y'all, I done came with my coffee. I got me some packages in the mail. Now, this one, and I'm super dope excited about it because it's the Juvia's Place mini palettes. And I did get all 4 of them. I am going to be swatching them, telling you my thoughts, letting you see all the colors. I'm not going to use them today because I didn't want this video to be real long because I'm actually uploading 2 videos in one day. But I wanted to come to y'all because I did get a couple of requests to actually see the palettes and see them up close and personal. And they wanted it, they kept telling me they wanted from somebody who actually purchased it that didn't actually, get it sent free so they could get some real thoughts. My first peek at them is that I do like them. I will say that they are a little bit smaller than her normal size palettes. They remind me about the size of the ColourPop minis. A little bit bigger than that, but about that size. The pan sizes are okay. And because hers are really pigmented, most of the times, you don't need as much product. But the first one we're going to look at, you know what? And if you don't know what they come in, I'm going to insert pictures of them. But it has the nude, the chocolates, the berries, and the violets. And those are all the names of the palettes. We're going to start off with the Violets palette. And this is the palette and what it looks like. Now, some of these are pressed pigments. I will say that. And that's through all of her palettes. Her palettes are cruelty-free, so let's get to swatching. Now, in these palettes, they are, again, this one, they don't have names. So I'm going to go top, left to right. And the Violets palette has 4 shimmers and 2 mattes. Here are all the colors, y'all. When I tell you these are beautiful, they were really smooth, not dusty. They weren't chalky. They are gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And that is swatches from the Violet palette. And I like them because I feel like I could just drop this literally in my bag, y'all. Like, when I'm going out or I need to just hit it and go, I can. Next, I am going to go to the chocolate palette. The chocolates. Yes, y'all, look at this. That is beautiful. And I love the fact that there are different depths of browns in here. So I can do different things with the browns. Like, you can layer the browns. The undertones of them are different. Okay, so in the chocolate palette, there are 4 mattes and 2 shimmers. And these are the 2 shimmers, and then these are the 4 mattes. I really, really like those as well, y'all. Like, oh my goodness. That could give you a nice old natural eye if you are in a nicely smoky natural eye. For women that are my color. Next, we are going to do the berries. This one I really did like. It gave me more raspberry, cranberry type vibes. And y'all, this art on these are so freaking beautiful. Like, oh, look at that. That is so pretty. Now, I did swatch this one because it just was calling my name. And again, I will say that some of these are pigments. So you have to be careful. In this palette, there are I would say it's 2 true shimmers, 3 pure mattes, and 1 matte with some gold flaking or a little hint of shimmer in it, but it's still a matte. I really love this palette as well. Like these colors. Now this palette, that one was a pinch harder to get off of my hand. But for the most part, reds are. And last but not least, we have the nudes palette. This one is really, really nice. It's light. This one I would use majority for my inner eye and things of that nature. I might use a couple for highlight in my brow bone if I decide, because I don't really use that often. Again, the formula is consistent. It's about the same, very smooth. Okay, so this is the nudes palette. The last one I could not get to show up on my skin, but that's because it's so close to, it just sort of faded in there. But it would be something I would use to put here when I want to not have such a, I want to like sort of blend out my shadows. But this palette has 3 shimmers and 3 mattes. And I could get use out of all 4 of these palettes. Now, these palettes do retail for $13.99. And I think the 4-pack is $52.99 if you get the bundle. You can use a coupon code. Now, will I say it's worth getting all 4? If you are an avid makeup user, yes. If you are somebody who sticks with specific colors, it's more economical for you to buy the ones that you're going to actually use. So if you know you would only use 2, buy the 2 you're going to use. Don't buy all 4. But I bought all 4 because I do makeup. So I felt it was worth it for me. Am I pleased with my purchase? Yes. I think out of all of them, if I wasn't really doing it for the video, I would have gotten these 3 right here. I wouldn't necessarily have gotten the nude. Will I use it because I purchased it? Yes, I will. But it's just one that I would just literally use it to for my inner eye. I will say it does give me a little variety of some that I don't necessarily have. But it wouldn't have been, it's not one that it wasn't a must-have. But do I love them all? Yes. You can find some coupon codes out there to save 10% when you do purchase it, just FYI. I got mine pretty quickly because I ordered it the day before Christmas, and I got it last night. It came yesterday, and I was just really tired, so I didn't want to record last night. But I just wanted to get this out there. I want to thank my babies for coming, seeing it. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. If you are a returning baby, thank you. Thank you for coming back. Also, I'm going to put 2 videos over here for y'all to watch. The subscribe button right here. And I'm going to say thank you. And bye-bye for now. See y'all in the next video.